Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we're making another Tiki Cocktail this summer. It's made with cream of coconut. It's made with orange juice. It's made with pineapple juice. We're topping it with a little bit of nutmeg. We're making the Pusser's Pain Killer, baby. So, as you can guess, it's a little rum cocktail. Nice little aged rum. And we're making it with that Pusser's British Navy rum. Right? This is the OG painkiller recipe by Pussers. That's what we're doing here today. So the build for the painkiller is 2 ounces of Pusser's rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce orange juice, and 1 ounce cream of coconut. That's shaken, that's double strained. We're gonna serve that over ice into a Collins glass. You could also use a hurricane glass or a snifter glass if you have one. And then it's gonna be garnished with some ground nutmeg, and I'm gonna do a little orange peel garnish with that as well. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and just jump right into the prep work. Tools you're gonna need for the prep: you're gonna need a cutting board, you're gonna need a knife, you're gonna need a basket strainer, and you need some sealable storage containers. All right, so the prep is super light today. I went ahead and just bought pineapple juice, just wanted to bring out the big juicer, but we are going to juice our oranges from scratch, and that is it today. All right, guys, so like always, you know, with our citrus, man, just cut it in half. These, we're not gonna use the citrus juicer, we're just gonna juice by hand because they're kind of big. So, grabbing a container, and I'm just going to squeeze with my hand as much orange juice out of that as I can. Same thing. And if I'm only making one cocktail, I only need 1 ounce of orange juice, so I think we're looking good. Oh yeah, that's good to go. And just like with any citrus juice, you're gonna double strain, right? Because you wanna get that pulp out of there. So once, bang, twice, and you got some fresh strained orange juice, pulp free, baby. Now I'm probably gonna use all this for my cocktail anyway, but I'm gonna grab a lid, label and date, and orange juice, guys, shelf life, good for 3 days. Throw it out on the 4th day. It lasts a little longer than lemon and lime because it's less acidic. All right, orange juice is done. We already got our pineapple juice, it's falling over. We already got our pineapple juice from the store. We got our cream of coconut. Make sure you get the Coco Lopez, it's the best shit. Don't get coconut cream, it's different. Cream of coconut's what you need. So we are ready to go, man. Prep work's done. Let's go ahead and jump into making that Pusser's painkiller, baby. All right, guys, I went ahead and put my orange juice in this cheater bottle here. This is a shaken cocktail. So let's go ahead and start with our shaker tin, and we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go cheapest, most expensive ingredients. We got 1 ounce of orange juice. Let's get 4 ounces of pineapple juice. 2, 4. Next, you're gonna need 1 ounce of that cream of coconut right into the jigger, 1 ounce of cream of coconut. And lastly, 2 ounces of that Pusser's rum. All right, let's grab the large side of our shaker tin, get our ice and fill the short side all the way to the top. And let's go ahead and ice our glassware. Seal that shaker tin up, and let's shake for 12 seconds as always. Oh yeah. Rack that container. Sometimes it takes a few, man. Grab your Hawthorne strainer, grab your basket strainer, and we're gonna double strain this cocktail. Beautiful, light, creamy orange. Grab an orange. Nice wide fat peel on that bad boy. I'm just gonna spritz the cocktail here. I'm gonna rub the edge of the glass. Let's roll her up. Grab our nice little ground nutmeg and just give a little sprinkle over the cocktail. And there you have it, guys, the painkiller. Let's taste. Get the orange and the nutmeg down in the nose. Whoa. Yo, it's creamy. A pineapple comes through, that nice aged rum comes through. I mean, you get the orange, you get the coconut. It's everything you want in a little summer drink there, baby. It's tiki time. A little bit of nutmeg is a great little addition. You get little bits of nutmeg on the mouth, on the tongue. Cold, it's refreshing, holy shit. That's what you want when you're hot and sweating under studio lights. That's what you want in your summertime. Tiki cocktails, baby. We're killing it here at Happiness Bar with Tiki Cocktails. And there it is, guys, the painkiller. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, save it for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. At 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.